The topic we are going to discuss today is discovery of DNA as hereditary material. In 1928, Frederick Griffith discovered the transforming principle. He was actually working on Streptococcus pneumonia and his intention was to discover vaccine against this bacteria, but he accidentally discovered the transforming principle, by which we know that the DNA is a biomolecule which carries genetic information from parents to their offsprings. Now, he was working on Streptococcus pneumonia, which is present in two different forms. One form is virulent type as it has a capsule around it, which is responsible for blood poisoning. They make smooth colonies, that's why they are also known as S-type bacteria. On the other hand, we have avirulent Streptococcus pneumonia. These bacteria doesn't have that capsule around it, and that's why they make rough colonies. They are also known as R-type bacteria. Now, let's see how the transforming principle was discovered. So, he took a mouse and then he injected that mouse with a virulent S-type bacteria. As a result, the mouse died. Then, he took another mouse and this time he injected a virulent type bacteria in it. As a result, the mouse did not die. Then he took the virulent S form and heated it up so that the bacteria died, also known as heat-killed bacteria. Then he took another mouse, the third one, and injected the heat-killed S-type bacteria in it. As a result, the mouse did not die. Then he took the heat-killed bacteria and mixed them up with a virulent R-type bacteria. Then he injected that mixture of bacteria in the mouse. As a result, the mouse died. At this point, Griffith concluded that something from heat-killed bacteria transferred into the R-type bacteria, and as a result they generate a capsule around them and convert it from avirulent to virulent type of bacteria. There is the S-type bacteria, that's why the mouse died. And this is known as transforming principle or transformation. The process where a cell takes a foreign DNA from its environment and incorporate it into its own genome, potentially altering its characteristics, is known as transformation. Thanks for watching.